Time for a few tips from our experts to help you find out if this Kenmore Top Freezers refrigerator is right for you. First, how much capacity do you need? More than 23 cubic feet overall, 3 refrigerator shelves, and 3 refrigerator drawers are right if you like to do a lot of stocking up. Next, are you looking for specific features? Humidity-controlled crisper, a slide-out crisper, and gallon door storage are all great if you're looking for a feature-packed option. Next, what everyday usage do you need? Freezer interior light, an interior light, and glass shelf construction are ideal if you want plenty of extra touches. Here's a deeper look at some of the features that make this fridge stand out from the others. What do others think? More than 10 people rated this model, giving it a total 4.5 out of 5 rating. We hope this makes your choice easier. To learn more, check out the details below.